Guys, with some insane information in today's video that you're not going to want to miss, we've got a lot to be discussing. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of the top cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in, when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell, so that you guys can as well, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I go over your portfolio and a lot of other services. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50 or $100 to invest, it's never too little. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. With the #1 profiting community on Patreon, you're gonna want to get in fast before the price goes up and before all spots fill up, because I have to cut it off at a certain point or else we're gonna muddy the waters. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung. It really does help with the growth of the channel. And guys, what are you currently holding and what do you want to hold more of? Let me know in the comments down below and why. Guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you also want a chance at more free money, if you use my I Trust Capital link in the top pinned comment and fund any account, you get $100 worth of Bitcoin for free. Guys, with Bitcoin and Ethereum consolidating and trading sideways in a tight pattern, it is inevitable for a massive breakout just within the next 5 to 7 days. So I will be discussing certain very important information regarding this and why it is the perfect time to get in. Guys, with stock market futures about to open up, get ready to see some massive green candlesticks. With tomorrow and the next day likely to be very green, you're going to want to get in before this does happen. Guys, with people literally sleeping on the stock market, sleeping on the crypto marketplace during this holiday season when they're focused on spending time with their family, this is the perfect buying opportunity for you to focus, for you to stay in tune with what's happening and these steep dips that are going to come because of people snoozing on the price. With low volume, we are likely to see huge dips and steep dips, but only for very short periods of time, and then huge bounce backs, and that's why you must pay close attention as I watch the charts throughout the day. The volatility is nothing to worry about, but rather a very good thing, allowing us to get in at the dips when they're steep enough so that there's only a short period of time before we see huge profits, and then sell at the cycle tops, just as I've done time and time again. Guys, with people getting ready for the new year, starting new portfolios and new investments because they want that New Year's resolution to literally equal financial freedom, we're likely to see the biggest pumps in crypto history. And that's why I'm going over this, and you want to be positioned very well just as I am before the new year does come. Guys, the Heroes Metaverse token is one that's likely a gem. It's based around a project called Everdome, with a very good possibility that this token is actually going to overtake Mana and Sandbox. I'm going to be keeping a close eye on it for you guys to buy at the dip on this one as well. Guys, with rather small projects like this, you're not going to want to put a lot of your portfolio in, but rather anywhere from 1 to 5%. That way you have an opportunity to make massive gains, but also if it goes down a lot, it's no big deal, and you can hold with diamond hands even easier this way. You are only going to want to put in about 10% of your overall investment in each and every time that I call out the dip, so that you can dollar cost average and make money on each trade and average in the long run. Guys, some massive news. An article came out titled, "Why Tax Season Might Be Adding to the Rut in Crypto." Guys, something that the government is offering is something called a whitewash. For example, the money that you do lose on crypto, you can simply tax deduct before the new year is up. And I think that's very important for crypto investors, stock investors, and investors in general to know. In that case, you're going to want to sell before the new year and then buy back when the new year begins. That way you can take advantage of that tax incentive. And guys, as we take a look at the crypto charts, as you can see, we've been trading sideways a bit, being a bit bearish. However, we came down, hitting our absolute bottom right here, allowing us to buy in, and then we came up with a bullish flag and pennant, came down again, hitting the bottom again, guys, with a double bottom right here. We had to go up, and that's why we went up from here, guys, with a W pattern forming on the charts. In other words, a reverse head and shoulders. That's incredibly bullish. With such a bullish symbol and such a long consolidation period, we are likely to head up from here. So you want to be ready for that when I call it out. Be sure to have some cash on the side to buy the dips when I call it out, and be ready to sell when we reach our cycle top. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signal. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Weeble link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.